The world of technology has opened up countless opportunities for people with disabilities by providing accessibility features that cater to their needs. One such feature that enhances user experience on Android devices is Talkback. Whether you have vision impairment or any other disability that affects your ability to use a touchscreen, Talkback can be a game changer. Talkback is a screen reader developed by Google specifically for Android devices. It is designed to provide audible feedback and spoken descriptions of the activities happening on the screen. This enables visually impaired users to navigate and interact with their devices effectively. To enable Talkback on an Android device, simply go to the Settings menu, select Accessibility, and turn on Talkback. From that point on, the device will provide spoken feedback for every action performed on the screen. It will read out any text, describe the layout and buttons, and offer instructions on how to interact with various elements. One of the many benefits of Talkback is its ability to enable voice commands and gestures as a means of interacting with the device. Users can perform various gestures to carry out specific tasks, like swiping left or right to navigate between different elements or using a two-finger swipe to scroll through a web page. Talkback will provide vocal cues to ensure users know what is happening as they carry out these gestures. Furthermore, Talkback allows users to customize its settings to suit their needs and preferences. For instance, users can adjust the speech rate, pitch, volume, and even the language of Talkback. This versatility ensures that users have full control over their experience with the screen reader. Another important aspect of Talkback is its compatibility with a wide range of applications. Whether it's emails, messaging apps, social media platforms, or productivity tools, Talkback seamlessly integrates with these applications. It will read out message contents, allow users to compose emails or messages, and even provide access to emojis and other features. Furthermore, Talkback ensures that visually impaired users can access information on the web effortlessly. It announces the headings, links, and other components of websites, making browsing and navigation accessible to everyone. Users can also listen to the content of web articles without having to read them visually, enhancing their overall browsing experience. Social media platforms can be a vital means of staying connected with friends and family, and Talkback enables visually impaired users to do just that. It provides audible feedback on various actions within social media apps, such as liking or commenting on a post, sending messages, or browsing through timelines. Furthermore, Talkback ensures that users can securely complete transactions and access online banking services. By describing the fields for entering personal information, it helps visually impaired individuals navigate through forms and complete necessary tasks independently. In recent years, technology has taken on an increasingly vital role in education. With Talkback, visually impaired students can access educational apps, ebooks, and other educational materials effortlessly. It reads out the text content, enabling students to study and learn without relying on traditional print materials. Additionally, Talkback ensures that visually impaired individuals can enjoy entertainment on their Android devices. From watching videos and movies to listening to music, Talkback provides descriptions of the media content, making the experience immersive and enjoyable. It is worth noting that Talkback is not only limited to blind or visually impaired individuals. It can be useful for people with cognitive impairments or physical disabilities as well. By providing auditory feedback and guidance, Talkback enables a more inclusive and accessible digital experience for all. In conclusion, Talkback is a powerful accessibility feature built into Android devices that enhances the user experience for people with disabilities. By providing spoken feedback, gestures, and customizable settings, Talkback enables visually impaired individuals to navigate, communicate, learn, and enjoy their devices with ease. Its compatibility with various applications ensures that users can access information, complete tasks, and stay connected seamlessly. With Talkback, Android devices become a tool of empowerment, facilitating independence and inclusivity for disabled users. In this video, we will explore the wonderful world of Talkback on Android devices and learn how it can be a game changer for individuals with disabilities. Talkback is an accessibility feature that allows people with visual impairments to navigate and use their Android devices more easily. Imagine being able to have your smartphone or tablet read out everything to you, from text messages to app notifications and even web pages. This is exactly what Talkback does. It provides spoken feedback, allowing users to interact with their devices through spoken instructions. So, how do you enable Talkback? It's quite simple. Go to the Settings menu on your Android device and select Accessibility. Here, you'll find the Talkback option. Just toggle it on, and you're all set. Once Talkback is activated, you'll notice a couple of changes on your device. First, you'll hear a voice guiding you and providing information about what's happening on the screen. This voice is your virtual assistant, helping you navigate through all the menus and options available. If you've never used Talkback before, it might take a little getting used to. But don't worry, with a bit of practice, you'll become a pro in no time. Let's go through some helpful tips to get started. 1. Navigation. To move around the screen, simply swipe your finger in different directions. For instance, swipe up to move to the next item, and swipe down to move to the previous one. If you want to select an item, double tap on it. 2. Gestures. Talkback also has specific gestures to perform various actions. A double tap and hold gesture is used to activate or open an item, like an app or a link. If you want to scroll through a web page, swipe up or down with 2 fingers. 3. Reading text. Reading text is a breeze with Talkback. You can swipe your finger across the screen to read line by line, or use the Next and Previous buttons to move through paragraphs. If you want a particular section to be read out, simply long press on it. 4. Customization. Talkback is flexible and offers customization options to cater to your preferences. For instance, you can adjust the speech rate if you prefer the voice to speak faster or slower. You can also choose different voice options and even change the pitch. Talkback is not only useful for navigating through the device but also for interacting with various apps. It provides audio cues and feedback for different functions and actions within apps. This means that you can effortlessly use social media platforms, compose emails, and even play games with the help of Talkback. Another fantastic feature of Talkback is its compatibility with Braille displays. If you have a Braille display connected to your Android device, Talkback can seamlessly integrate with it, making it even easier for individuals with visual impairments to access and interact with their devices. For those who have difficulty with touch gestures, Android devices also offer switch access. Switch access allows users to control their devices using one or more external switches. This feature is particularly helpful for individuals with limited mobility or dexterity. With Talkback and switch access, Android devices provide a truly inclusive and accessible experience for everyone. By enabling these features, individuals with disabilities can independently use their devices, stay connected with others, access vital information, and explore the endless possibilities of the digital world. In conclusion, Talkback is a remarkable accessibility feature on Android devices that revolutionizes the way individuals with visual impairments interact with their smartphones and tablets. Its intuitive navigation, customizable options, and compatibility with Braille displays make it a powerful tool for empowering individuals with disabilities. So, go ahead and give Talkback a try. Unlock the full potential of your Android device and embrace the world of accessibility at your fingertips.